Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, with less than 3 weeks to the start of the new academic year, there's still no agreement between the Jamaica Teachers Association and the Ministry of Finance.
Wage negotiations today ended abruptly after the JTA walked out on the ministry, citing disrespect towards the nation's educators.
The association laments that the ministry has refused to increase its offer of 0% in the first year of its 4-year contract.
Romarda Lyons reports.
The start of the new school year could see teachers outside classrooms, not to usher students in, but protesting for better pay. The Jamaica Teachers Association and the Finance Ministry met today to continue wage talks. That ended with the JTA walking out. TVJ News understands that the ministry refused to increase its offer of 0% increase in the first year of its 4-year contract. President-elect Mark Malava says if there's no resolution before September 1, industrial action is a possibility.
All options are on the table at this point in time.
Mr. Malava says based on recent discussions, the current offer was not expected.
We went there in good faith. We went there expecting an improved offer. And this is within the context that we would have had a series of meetings prior to that. We would have rejected the first offer. We went to another meeting and we were promised that we would have an improved offer. We had some discussions with the minister, but there was no movement at all. We felt disrespected. By that, we indicated to the minister in no uncertain terms that we expect an offer by no later than 12 midnight on August 17. A failure to that, we are not in a position to guarantee any form of normalcy.
The JTA had rejected the government's latest wage offer of 7%. Now on August 18, the JTA's annual conference is expected to begin. But unlike previous years,
this is the first time in which we don't have a formal offer from the government to take to our delegates. And that for us is disappointing.
The Education Ministry has been highlighting improvements in CSEC and PEP passes. More reason, the JTA added, for teachers to be given a livable and dignifying wage.
That is as a consequence of the hard work of our teachers. We are demanding from the government an improved offer going forward.
I asked what would be an ideal offer.
At this point in time, we are not in a position to speak to that publicly. We have put together a list of claims, 27 items on the list of claims. This was based on, we managed to put this together based on consultations with our members. It was also anchored in research, reports that are out there. You're looking at the Ernst & Young report, for example, looking at the 2021 IBB report on education. You're looking at the Patterson report. We looked at all of these documents and we came up with a very comprehensive list of claims that we believe will enable the country to move forward collectively. We believe that it will also aid in the transformation of education.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.